What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2008 Volkswagen Passat with 2.0 liter engine. I'm going to show you how to fix your check engine light with two codes. It's gonna be P0442 and P0456. It's basically air leak. I never opened the hood on this car, so I'll go with you through all the process how to find the air leak without smoke machine. So let's see what we got here. So if you have a code P0456, evap leak, and we have a second one P0442, it's also evap leak, small leak. So guys, what you need to do first, check your gas cap. So if your gas cap it's loose or this seal it's old, so you will have that code for air leak, small air leak. So replace this first, clear the codes with your scanner, drive around for a couple days. If it's coming back, open the hood and check all those hoses. So first what you need to do, you need to move this air filter, disconnect your mass airflow sensor, move these holders, move the tube. You need some pliers to move this tube. Just come off like that. So also we need to move what is on the way to the engine, so we're gonna move this tube. It's T20, 2 screws. Put this inside. And what we're looking for here, here's the engine. We're looking for cracked hoses in this area because it's not a lot of air hoses on this side, so most of the hoses they here. So we need to find which one is cracked and we need to replace, to cut it and put it back. So let's see. Alright guys, if you check all the hoses, they all looks good, no cracks, they all in the place. So the second what you can check, it's your purge valve. So it's not expensive parts. The gas cap cost around $12 and this purge valve around $25. So you can replace them both. So you can try to replace the gas cap first and then you can replace this purge valve.